are here already in Pampang, and we're going to take a look the mango here. How much is it for 1 kilo? Don't have here, only in the top, in the down. Mangoes here. The top only have seafood, pork, chicken, but don't have vegetable here. Yes, also vegetable, but don't have fruits here. Big Pampang. Most of a carinderia they buy here because it's more cheapest. Slowly, always, sometime, always here. You use motor, bikes. Slowly. Don't have mango there.
100 peso mango.
Oh, it's
This is
Davao.
100. A mango from Davao, 150. Wait.
So we find another.
Yes, it's from Davao, mango bigger. Here mango 70 peso. This is 70 peso. This mango how much? Also 70 peso, yes? This 70 peso. And this?
90 pesos. And 100 kilos.
Okay.
Oh. How much is it? 70 pesos.
No, it's not 70.
So here?
It's 90.
90?
Now you ask again.
Better this one.
Better
Sweeter.
this one?
Yes, it's more sweeter.
More sweeter? No, we
Yes.
try this one also.
Okay.
Okay, this enough.
Smaller, more sweet.
Also ice for sale.
Hey, sir!
Ice. It's for sale, ice.
Oh, ice is very good.
Yes.
It's okay? Enough?
I think enough, yes.
Okay, ito na lang po.
Full camera I will take.
Kanungan po? I will take the motor. I will put here.
Okay. Okay, stop. Open.
Let's go.
Wait, I will money.
Have coconut here. Eggs. Rice.
This place is so many coconut and banana.
Mhm.
This is banana market. All banana, different kind of banana.
I like big
And
banana.
this is part of coconut. Coconut here.
Yes, it's good coconut here. Have also big banana, the green one. It's more, what they said, have more nutrients inside, like vitamins.
Cross also in the front.
What?
Take a look.
This one I don't like.
But why he have he take heavy wood? Why?
I don't like the blood.
No, why he take heavy?
It seems like you use the cross. It's
Ah.
only one, like in the
Take a look. This is scar from
funeral.
funeral. Yeah.
Sometimes I cannot talk the like tongue twister. I need to repeat it. I hear someone already using.